Now, what is the ground situation? Because remember, the Election Commission claims it has found as many as 7 lakh electors who have been enrolled in 2 places. Kishanganj, which is a border area of Bihar, has come under particular scrutiny. Many voters are now seen there as suspects. It has a large Muslim population, and there are those who are claiming that Muslims are being targeted in this exercise. My colleague Shreya Chatterjee has been on the ground to investigate. Take a look at her report.
In Bihar, Simachal, citizenship isn't being decided by a court, but by a form. And in Kishanganj, India's most controversial voter list cleanup is underway. This is a region where Muslims form 68% of the population. It borders Nepal to the north and is long alleged to host infiltrators from Bangladesh. India Today spent a week on the ground tracking what locals call the suspect list. What we found was alarming. Forms are being held back. Some residents are under quiet investigation.
दूसरा है born in India, ये अलग है.
In multiple suspect wards, India Today met individuals who had only an Aadhaar or a voter ID and no family or land records.
तो वोटर आधार कब बनने वोटर आधार 5 साल वोटर बने हाँ ये दुटो छाड़ा तो कोनो डॉक्यूमेंट नहीं तुम्हारे पास.
When asked where he came from, he couldn't give a plausible answer.
ये बाप दादा मतलब कहाँ था वो हमको भी पता नहीं है, लेकिन हम लोग का जन्म यहाँ का है.
আর আধার কার্ড বানলো কবে?
আধার কার্ড বললো তো लगभग 10 বছর.
কাল যদি এসে বলে যে তোমার প্রমাণ কি তুমি কি করে আধার বানিয়েছিলে, তুমি যদি এই জবাব দাও তাহলে তো তোমাকে হেনস্থা করবে.
वही की बोलबो हर का याद नहीं तो की बोलबो कोई प्रूफ नहीं तो हमके याद.
सर यहाँ पे कितने लोग हैं या फिर कितने, शायद आप क्वांटिफाई नहीं कर पाएंगे, लोग आपको दिख रहे हैं जिनके पास सिर्फ आधार और वोटर है, बाकी डॉक्यूमेंट्स उनके पास नहीं है, मुसीबत का शिकार हो रहे हैं?
ऐसे तो बहुत सारे होंगे. गांव में लगभग ये 4-5 वार्ड मिला के गाँव है, ये बैरबन्ना गाँव कहा जाता है. 50% लोगों के पास ये वोटर आधार के अलावा कोई प्रूफ नहीं है, जो हम लोग जमा करने के लिए असमर्थ हैं.
This is how voters are being segregated. Category 1. If your name is in the 2003 voter list, you're cleared without any additional documents. There is no suspicion. Category 2. If your parents' name were in the 2003 list, you need to submit proof of parentage. Again, no inherent suspicion. Category 3. If neither you nor your parents were on the 2003 voter list, every document you submit is put through intense scrutiny. Then you're under high suspicion. India Today met the block statistical officer, a key coordinator in the revision drive, to understand the process. When we ask him about how they are identifying, this is what he says.
अभी जो हम लोग निर्देश दिया हमारे वीडियो का, तो कुछ बूथ को कलेक्ट किया, कुछ बूथ को चिन्हित किया. तो उनमें से हमारे यहाँ का भी 3 बूथ चिन्हित है, 14, 15, 16.
Sher Shah Badi Muslims, a Bengali dialect-speaking community, have been living across Kishanganj, Katihar, Purnia and Malda. Originally settled during the Sur dynasty rule under Sher Shah Suri, Magh, then migrated during British India. Their dialect and migration history now work against them, with their settlements overlapping in Bengal, Bihar, Bangladesh across the Indo-Gangetic plain. Their migration was most always defined by the changing river's course. But due to a Bengali dialect which is not a norm in Bihar, locals, even other Muslims, known as Surjapuri, label them Bangladeshi. Most refused to speak, but one, Sher Shabari elder, who had only an Aadhaar and a voter ID, did.
हम लोग को बोलता है कि ये लोग बांग्लादेश से आके बैठ गया है, इस तरीके से कहीं कागज वगज लेकर जाते हैं तो डॉक्यूमेंट देते हैं वहाँ का वोटर कार्ड या ट्रांसफार नहीं मानता है बोला नहीं होगा পাওয়া তো যায় না মানে বন হয়ে গেছে বানাইতে
না সে আমরা বুঝেছি কিন্তু নাম কেটে গেলে মুশকিল এখন অনেক সমস্যা
A quiet cleansing, one form at a time, one family at a time. In Kishanganj, citizenship is now on probation. And as Bihar nears election, EC sources tell us they have identified Bangladeshis, Nepalis and Rohingyas. Removal may follow. As more states roll out SIR, India today remains at the front line of India's most complex, most contentious, silent identity test. With Shreya Chatterjee in Kishanganj, Bureau Report, India Today.
That ground report from Kishanganj.